I just think it was fantastic and is still fantastic. We are so lucky to have got the weather that we got, because quite honestly, on the 27th, the waves were so high up I thought we'd have to cancel. But no, we're here and the crowds are here, and there's a great buzz about the place. There's volunteers, there's swimmers, there's lions, there's people from ARC Housing, there's people from CAR, Mental Health Services, and there's people from Wicklow Dementia. So all in all, it's been a fabulous day for us, and we hope to reap the rewards.
My name's Steve Charters. I'm here from Bray, and we come down every year to support the local charities and generally kind of wish in the new year by getting freezing cold.
My girlfriend really wanted to go to the New Year swim, and I mean it's a crazy experience. We're here for some days in Ireland to celebrate New Year's Eve, and this one is just a nice experience to start the new year. Getting some fresh water for the new year. This is just an awesome, exciting event.
A little bit cold, everybody very happy. A lot of people around. Probably our biggest swim, not certain, we do our sums, but the money is looking good as well. Great causes for it. And I think everybody enjoys the day out.
The hospitality at the Martello is second to none. Every year they just provide so much food, soups, sandwiches, teas, coffees, and there's no end to it. It's just they feed everybody who's been down here, and it's just wonderful. And it's a lovely atmosphere for all of us to experience. Each year we build on this, and we find new ways of doing things. We find more inclusion, we find other people to help us out, and it just, as I always say, together we work stronger if we are together, and that's kind of our motto.